Hey guys, so today I have this new product with me. It's called Diginote. So I took a look at the video of this online and I found it really fascinating. So I just had to get it for myself, and honestly no regrets here, best 10k spent ever. So with this product I have been able to draw on the tablet and actually be able to get it live on my phone. Can you believe how amazing that is? I don't even have to digitize it separately anymore. I just have to draw and it's done. So let's just take a look at what we have over here today. Alright, so I have the box over here and I've taken advantage and downloaded the application, which you will have the information on the box itself. You can scan the QR code, or you can go to www.knoin.org and you can download the application there. So let's get this baby open. So it comes with a basic user manual where it will explain the basics of how to use the product. Now let's just get this baby out. Alright, so we can see it has the on-off button right here. It has a save button by the look of the hard disk, yes. And it has a delete and erase button. And it comes with a stylus along with nibs so that we can change them if the tip is not working. And we get a charger with which you can charge the tablet and the stylus both. So let's just put this on in the application and take a look at how this works. Okay, and it's connected. So guys, remember, whenever you're using this, switch on your Bluetooth. So let's just take a look at how this works. Okay, this is pretty cool. And okay, this is to increase the brush stroke. Okay, so now if I want the lines to be thicker, they can come out thicker. Okay, that's pretty cool actually. And what else can this do? Alright. It's pretty nice. You can get different stroke lengths here along with the thickness of the brush. That's pretty nice. So it makes delicate work easy to do. So guys, I think let me just try doing a doodle here and let's see what we get out of it. So guys, you just saw me doodling and guess what? It is already here on my phone. Can you believe this? So this is their live draw feature and it is crazy. I don't even have to wait to render this. So this is, wow, I just can't believe it. I have no words for this. So guys, I'm back and like I showed you earlier, the thing is saved on my phone. Can you believe it? I have everything done already. I don't even need to do this double the work. So guys, I'm telling you, definitely worth investing in, and I have left the link here for you guys so you can purchase this and experience this for yourself today ASAP. Yeah, definitely please like, share, comment on this video, and I will see you guys the next time we are sharing a new product.